welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. It's time to see what I got in my Boxycharm for March. I think I have this box for 2 weeks now, but anyway, I don't know how come I didn't take at least a peek. Let's see what I have in here. As I told you, I have only the base box for now, and probably for a while it's gonna be like that. Looks like this month I have quite a pretty heavy box, and let's see what's in here. Let me know if you have Boxycharm, and of course, as always, something is leaking here. Let's see if you have Boxycharm and how do you like your box. So far, here is my box inside. I have a card this time, and let's see. I will go random by product, and of course, I have a ton of other items around. The first thing in here, actually, let's put the box here. The first thing in here, I have an Ofra palette, and is this one. About this palette, let's see what they say. Ofra Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette. Don't store directly at your cheeks while wearing this hypnotizing blush palette. Okay, let's see the price. I'm not gonna read the whole description. This one is $39. Pretty nice pink packaging, and the palette is quite pretty. I think there are shades for everybody in this palette. So far, I think it's a great item. I don't know I don't remember what was the product that I picked up, but might be this one because I remember the colors. Then we have, let's see, I have Vanilla Masqua product, and this one is the Hydra Setting Spray. It looks like this, and let's see. I don't think I tried this one. I used their primer and I love it, but I never used the setting spray. And this one comes with 100 milliliters, which I think it's a pretty nice product too. So far I am happy with this one, and this one is $28. Then let's see, I have 3 more items. One of them is Vicky Makeup Melt Gentle Oil Free Makeup Remover Spray. I never had a makeup remover in spray form, and this one it's $24. So okay, we'll see about them. So far those are new products for me. The next one in here is from Style Dry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask with coconut oil and murumuru butter, and this one is $16.95. Quite a good size, and this one comes with, let's see, it's hard to see, I think it's 100 milliliters in here. And the last product in my box for March, it's from Archaeology, something like that, detoxifying treatment mask. And here is the box for this one, and this one is, let's see, $69. So far quite a good value in here. I will count everything, and I will leave the value on the screen. Let's see, the box is big, the product not so. Anyway, here is the mask. As I told you, new products for me. If you used them before, let me know how you like them. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. I'm trying to keep up my videos very short, so that's why I'm not gonna read the description. But if you have more info, or if you want more info, let me know in the comments down below. So far that's my my box for March. We'll see what comes next month. So far I would say it's a pretty good box, at least this is what I think. Let me know what do you think about your box or my box. I will see you soon, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. At least it's weekend when I'm filming. Anyway, have a great time, have fun, bye bye.